How to fix suspended SOP on Etsy. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log into your account but you are not being able to have access to it. In order to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and then in the search bar, search for Etsy help. You have to head over to this site, submit a request. It will land you on this page. Over here, head over to selling on Etsy. Different options will be available to you, but head over to My account is suspended. And then at the bottom, tap on Find an appeal. Now from here, you can choose any of the option. Let me click on the very first one. Tap on Reach Out over here. It will be landing you on this interface. In this page, what you want to do is, in the subject section, you have to enter suspended SOP, and in the description box, simply enter the problem that you have been facing on Etsy. Also state the reason why your account has been suspended. Make sure to enter your username and also your email ID. Once done, tap on Send at the bottom right, and then you'll be good to go. Once the appeal has been sent, now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then your account will get fixed. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix suspended SOP on Etsy. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.